This is our laser therapy, and this is the machine class 4 laser that we have in our clinic. And I'll get Michelle to come and talk about that.
Hello everyone, I'm Michelle Davies. I'd just like to tell you a bit about the laser. When I came across this therapy, I was incredibly impressed. This therapy actually does work, so let me tell you a bit about it. The equipment comes from Italy, and as you know, the Italians, when they design something, they get it right. So what the Italians did, they put together a laser, and with the head of the laser, they combined 2 different wavelengths, and one worked on pain relief and one worked on healing. So what you're getting simultaneously is pain relief and healing. The good thing about it is it's painless. You don't feel anything. There's a light beam that you feel it's just running up and down your arm or your back or your shoulder, and the pain over a period of time will go away. I just want to tell you what happened recently. One of Queensland's top cricket players dislocated his shoulder. He had surgery and he was off for another 2 months. So I organised to get him 4 treatments over 2 weeks. Well, he was going to have more treatments, but he decided that weekend, after his second week of his second 2 treatments, he would play. He played the best cricket. He's a batter. He played the best cricket he'd played. He ended up going to Melbourne with the heat. He scored 6 sixes. I can't tell you who his name, but if you follow cricket, you most probably know by now who it is. And one of his balls went out of the stadium. He then got selected for the Australian team. Now that was 4 treatments, and that was over 2 weeks, and he had 2 months before he was allowed to go back. This is the machine that Dr. Chetty has. So it has a triple diode head which can do a large area, and they can work on small areas as well. So the good thing about it is it's painless, and in between 5 and 10 treatments, you may never have to come back. So I suggest you give it a try. Thanks, Dr. Chetty.
Thank you. We have also used laser for the ulcers and wounds, and just last week we had a patient with a chronic wound, and amazing, it healed so fast. He came in with a walking stick and he is now walking independently.